Once you have all the pictures here, I recommend to organize them how you like actually, but I organize them how I have them here. Okay. From the login, onboarding, homepage, book details, category, library, book details in library, reader, my bag, and reading. I'm gonna change this to going to and take this from here. I'm gonna put first this one, first the reading, then reader. Gonna add here my other, no, this one here and this one here. So this is the one that you see when you have it in the library, and this is the library, and the bag I'm gonna leave it here. Okay, you can organize it how you want, but for me this have more sense. Okay, I'm going to add auto layout in between these three with a gap of 100, for example. Okay, same here with a gap of 100. I'm gonna add auto layout here as well and here. And now I can also click both, and here I'm gonna say add auto layout of 100. Great. And now I'm gonna take all of them and add auto layout. Let's see, 100 might be too much. So I'm gonna add, let's see, 60. I think I need it to be same vertical as horizontal, so I'm gonna leave it 100. Just double check. Yeah, I think 100 is fine. And then I'm gonna go to each one of this. Okay. Then I'm gonna make a corner radius of 20. Then this frame, I'm gonna give also a padding of 40 on each side. Then I'm gonna make this frame, I'm gonna clip it to the other frame. And also up here, to make it a little bigger, because up here I would like to have a title. And the title, it should be the same size as I have them here. So I'm going to take this. Oh, here instead of prototype, it's going to be high fidelity design. High fidelity design. Okay. And I'm going to paste the text here and say high fidelity design. And grab this for the moment. Oh no, it was fine. I'm just gonna take the padding away. Okay, padding away. And now first I'm gonna group this together shadow to layout for the padding. And now I'm going to clip it to my high fidelity design screen. One more thing. Yes, one more thing. With all of them selected, we didn't need it so far in our design, but you also have shadow here in effects. Let's go drop shadow, and I think 10%. Let me just see. Yeah, 10%, it's fine. Yeah, the shadow should be black. And let me check here. Little blur. Yeah, it's fine. I'm gonna leave it just like this. It's perfectly fine to me. And if I can see where this is finishing. So looks perfect. Now I'm gonna take all this from here in this side, and then I'm gonna ungroup everything. Okay, erase the title and ungroup everything until we have these individual images. Ungroup. Okay, now I'm gonna rearrange them. It's gonna look a little strange to you, but it's just to make a small design. Okay, so I'm gonna add this here. Great. Then I'm gonna take 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna move them a little bit up here. Also, these 3, I'm gonna move them a little bit up here. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna make 100 spacing in between these two as well. So 100 spacing and 100 spacing. Okay. Then let's see. I'm gonna I am going to copy this from here. So I'm gonna leave it here. And I'm gonna replace this one. And then I'm gonna copy this from here. I'm going to replace this one. Why? Because I don't want them to look like so similar together. Okay. Then maybe this I'm going to add it here. This one here. Then I'm gonna make one more like this and add it here. No, it looks strange. Oh, it looks like a heart shape. Almost like a heart shape. Okay, it's gonna look strange to you, but you will see what we're doing in a second. I take another one like this and like this. I just feel like, yeah, it's 100 in what I want to do now. It's gonna be too much, so I'm gonna make 40. I'm gonna take all of them, see, like this. First horizontal. I'm changing here to 40 and then vertical. And I'm gonna change them If I do that, then it's gonna be. Let me check. I think it's gonna look strange, but no, that's what I don't want to do. So I'm gonna do like this 40, 40, and 40, 40, and great. Now I'm going to group them, group selection, and I'll leave them here aside. Now I'm gonna take one like this, and I'm gonna name it um, mm, visual design image. Take this away. I need this to be, it was 1024. Gee, 1024. Let me just check here. It wasn't 1024, or it was. Okay, just gonna do something so I see how big it is. This one, yeah, it was 1024. But I think I will need it to be 1024, it's fine. Okay. And to this one, I'm gonna give another background, this purple one. And this, we are going to take it from here, from the corner. We're gonna push shift. So it moves like this. We are gonna add it inside here. You see, if you do like this and you keep this and the arrow outside this, it's not gonna get inside. But if you do like this, you add it inside and moving them all the time inside this, it's gonna look like this. Nice? Well, I hope you like it. Okay, this is our image. And this is some text that I prepared from before, which I want to use in my visual design. Okay, so now we're gonna take all this from here and cut it, and I'm gonna add it here next to this one. Oops. Also from here, I'm gonna take this image, which should have been 1024. I'm gonna check afterwards what happened. Leave this down here. You can, even if it goes here, you can always center it from here, okay, as well. But, well, sometimes I lose a little time to do that. And I'm gonna take this, add it here. Okay. And here I'm gonna say ebook app visual design. And here say image visual design. Okay, I made this circle, this round shape, oval, I think it's called in English. Uh, you see, you just take from here like a circle and you do something like this. I gave it a color and then I did the same like I did here. I added inside this. See? And I sent it to the back. So I have something like this. Okay? I'm gonna leave it as it was first. There. And now let's see which is best to do. I am going to make this screen bigger. Something like this. Oops. I'm gonna add this down here. Okay. More down. I don't know, somewhere around here maybe. And then I'm going to add this text here. It's not working, this text, because this is some text that I made in my old ebook app. I'm gonna use the second text. Okay, going to paste it here. Center it. This way so I can see it more. Okay. And now I will add this one here. The same, sure. Okay, imagine that this is up here. Then now not sure. So maybe I should add, okay, I'm gonna take this from inside. Maybe I should add the high fidelity design first and then the rest, like the wireframe on paper, then the wireframes in Figma, mood board. No. I'm gonna add first this. I'm gonna keep this padding now away. I don't really need it at the moment. And then, oh yes, that's it. Sorry. And then I'm going to add the high fidelity design down here. Erase this, I don't need that anymore. make some padding to this one. It stays a little bit too close to their padding. Okay. No, here, that's fine. And now down here, I'm gonna add like a square, a rectangle, like this, which I'm going to fill it with our primary color. And then I'm gonna take from here this text, copy it down here. And this I'm gonna change to white. And I'm gonna say, thank you so much for watching. Nice. Okay, these two I'm going to auto to layout. Okay, and then I'm gonna add auto layout between everything. No, not the first one, this we're gonna leave it here. I'm gonna add auto layout between all of them with a gap of 80. Let's see how it looks. 80. Moodboard, wireframes, Figma. This one maybe should be here in the middle, more than you, and do a little bit like this. So it looks a little bit more filled. Yeah, like this. And then wireframes on paper, wireframes on Figma, Moodboard, design system. Hypothetical design. Okay. What we're gonna do, it's here. We're going to change this moodboard. And also this. On Figma. And up here as well. I do this because I want there to be a difference. Friends, let's say on paper. I do want there to be a difference. You see, when we go here, design system, there are some other titles that are smaller. So I want to be a difference between these titles and these ones that are inside. Okay. Now let's give a padding to this one of 40. Clip it to our frame over here. And okay, here down, we are going to take away the padding. So it's going to be 0. So now we can clip this like this. Okay, we are going to continue in the next video, just in a second. I am back, And now we are going to export our images. Yeah, here it's fine. And this one, export. XML. Okay, now save. And once this is saved as well, we go to our portfolio on Behance and we create another project. Let's add our image, which it was this one. It's the same like the first, but with a different text. And here we're gonna add the other image, which is this one. Looks nice. Moodboard, design system, spacing, icons, color palette, corner radius, logo, product cards, component and patterns, high fidelity design. Yeah, I think it looks great. And then here we have, thank you so much for watching. Okay, then here in settings, we're gonna edit cover page, which I think is great like this. So we crop. The title should be, well, ebook up visual design. Tags, if you remember, we can add UI now. Figma. User interface, which is the same as UI. Okay, then here in category UI UX, then tools used, we only used Figma. Visibility to everyone and publish. You can also write a small description, but you can also publish and that's it. And our visual design is now published in our portfolio. I'm really proud of you if you got so far. Now you have one project in your portfolio, including UX study and UI design.